it's Miss Kelsey here at the Frank Johnson Recreation Center. And today we're going to be making smoothies. I am using different foods in my refrigerator that are about to either expire or that I don't really like the taste of, but they are good for me, such as vegetables. And so it's going to show you how to incorporate your vegetables in a tasty way, as well as how to use foods that you don't want going to waste. So sit tight, sanitize your areas, wash your fruit, and let's get cooking. So the ingredients that I'm using today are blueberries, coconut milk unsweetened, spinach mix, pineapples, cutie oranges, vanilla yogurt, and a banana. So, and also ice. The first thing I'm gonna add is our greens. Now this is a spinach mix. It has other types of greens in it, but I really like it because I can use it as a salad as well as for this smoothie. I'm gonna do 2 handfuls. You don't have to do as much. And it's okay if you make a mess. Our area is sanitized. I'm gonna add my blueberries. I'm gonna do just a handful. I'll toss them in there. I'm gonna add about 3 pineapples and the juice. And these pineapples are about to expire. So I might as well use all of them. And we can reuse this container at some point. I'm adding oranges. I think I'm just gonna add 1 because I used all of my pineapple, but oranges have a huge amount of vitamin C, and it helps protect the immune system, which protects you from getting sick. And we're just gonna break those up and put those in. I'm probably just gonna eat this one. We're going to add the banana. And see, this banana is turned really brown on the outside, but is still the normal color on the inside. I'm just gonna break that up and put that in there as well. Now, it is optional the type of milk you want to use. Here, I'll show you all what it looks like. Add our milk. I would say 1 cup of milk. I'm just using the remainder that's in here. And half of the yogurt. I have French vanilla. Now we add the ice. And we're gonna let that run on blend. Now, you all know the next step is to taste. Okay. Actually tastes really, really good. It's not as sweet. You can add more fruit if that's what you prefer. I like it like this, and it has a lot of good healthy things in it. And then this is something you can make as a treat, as well as, you know, to incorporate vegetables and things like that, you know, if you don't like to eat them by themselves, and just enjoy. Well, thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Cooking with Kids. I'm super excited to, be making the recipes with you all. Can't wait to have everyone back. Hope everyone is staying safe. Again, I'm Miss Kelsey here at the Frank Johnson Recreation Center, where we are family, and I look forward to seeing you all next Wednesday. Have a great one.